If you made it this far, I just want to say you are real OG. Let me know in the comments if you've been here since video 1, okay? If not, go back and watch my other 12 days of beauty. So what I did was every day I talked about a new, not a new product, but a product that I tried over the past year of 2021, and talked about what I liked about it, what I didn't like, you know, how to use it in some videos. It's fun stuff, and the videos are super short, so you won't have to spend a lot of time. You can probably actually binge this whole series in less than an hour, probably less than 30 minutes, depending on what it's giving. Today we're going back to the basics before tomorrow's big giveaway. I will also still be sharing something beauty related tomorrow as well. Holy grail, holy grail. I've actually went through another bottle. This one's almost done. It's like right here. This is really the only cleanser I use on my hair, especially if I need a good cleanse. I know this sounds bad, but I love the way it kind of strips my hair of all of those heavy products that I've been using throughout the week, the month, etc. So I like to use this in combination. I believe it was in video 1 where I talked about the melanin hair care African soap shampoo. So I like to use that, and I also like to use this if I need something quick. I love this applicator that I could just put directly on my scalp. I just put it in. I love the way it smells. It's rose water. It's Micellar Rose Water Cleanser. I use micellar water on my face to clean my face, and it's chef's kiss. And so what I do with this is I use it on my hair, and this is one product that I like to bring down my hair all on it, you know what I'm saying? So that's usually what I do, especially if I feel like I need it. I have a whole video on talking about this line and showing you how to use it, but I'm telling you, this is just perfect. It's free of all of those things that natural hair gals try to avoid. It's even free of gluten. Let me tell you, one of my favorite holy grails. Have been able to find this in stores. You can find it online. I actually think I ordered this online though. Some places have it in stores. The very first time I saw it, it was on sale for like $3.99. I was like, oh, need to get that. And then I re-upped once I ran out, you know what I'm saying, and decided to try the whole line. So tomorrow is the day that we talk about the giveaway, and it's going to be specific instructions. It's going to have everything you need to know about how you need to enter, what do you need to do to enter, etc, etc. So don't worry at all. Be sure you're following me on Instagram too though, because that could be another entry for you. Stay tuned for the next video tomorrow, and subscribe, leave a comment, all the good things. Thank you again for coming along with me on this journey, and I'll see you on day 12 of 12 days of beauty. Toodles.